Good morning. Today topic discussed about the pharmaceutical incompatibility. Introduction. Incompatibilities is defined as a change resulting of undesirable product which may affect the safety, efficacy, appearance, and stability of pharmaceutical product. Incompatibility occurs during compounding, formulation, manufacturing, dispensing, storage, and administration of drugs. Types of incompatibilities. The incompatibilities may be detected by changes in physical and chemical therapeutical quality of the medicines. Physical incompatibility. Physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, therapeutical incompatibility. Physical incompatibility is when two or more than two substances come back where a physical change take place and unacceptable product formed. Unacceptable product formed. Interaction between two or more substances which may lead to change in color, odor, taste, viscosity, and morphology. Physical incompatibility may be corrected by any of the following methods: change the order of mixing, emulsification, addition of suspending agent, change in the form of ingredients, addition or substitution or omission of any ingredients. Physical incompatibility, immiscibility of two or more liquids, insolubility of prescribed agent in vehicle, precipitation, it occurs due to solvent in insoluble when it added to solution. Liquefaction of solid mixed in a dry state. Immiscibility of two or more liquids when two ingredients are combined resulting in a non-homogeneous product. Such ingredient are called as immiscible to each other, and the phenomenon is called as immiscibility. Immiscibility means two ingredients combined resulting in non-homogeneous product. That means in the separate layers, such ingredients called as immiscible. The manifestation appears clearly in emulsions, cream, and lotions, some types of ointments. Oil and water immiscible with each one, which show the physical incompatibility. Castor oil 50 ml, water 60 ml. To take the castor oil 50 ml and water 60 ml, prepare and dispense castor oil emulsion. In the causes, in this prescription, castor oil immiscible with water due to high interfacial tension, which is a sign of incompatibility. Remedy: to overcome this type of incompatibility, emulsification is necessary with the help of emulsifying agent. Castor oil 50 ml, gum acacia 3.75 gram, water 60 ml to make the emulsion castor oil emulsion with the help of the third substance of gum acacia. Insolubility means in the insolubility, inability of a material to dissolve in a particular solvent system. The majority of incompatibility is due to insolubility of the inorganic as well as organic common particular solvent. Inorganic common like metal, their salt, and non-metals and like sulfur and iodine. Organic compounds like hydrocarbon, phenols, amines, ketones, and aldehydes. To RH, the ephedrine sulfate 0.25 gram menthol 0.02 ml. Liquid paraffin quantity sufficient to 30 ml. Prepare and dispense nozzle drops. The ephedrine sulfate is an alkaloid and insoluble in liquid paraffin. Remedy: uncatration ephedrine sulfate is soluble in liquid paraffin. Hence, it can be used to prepare the clear solutions. Precipitation: a drug in a solution may be precipitated if the solvent in which it is insoluble added to the solution. Resin or insoluble in water. Alcoholic solution of resin plus water, precipitated resins. Aqueous dissipation of hydrophilic colloids and the polysaccharides mucilage plus high concentration of alcohol or salt equal to precipitated of colloids. But RX, tincture benzoin common 5 gram, glycerin 10 ml, rose water up to 100 ml. Example of precipitation: Put Rx the prescribed for the doctor. Put Rx tincture benzoin compound 5 gram, glycerin 10 ml, rose water up to 100 ml. Prepare and dispense 100 ml of lotions. Causes the tincture benzoin compound contain resins. The change in solvent system result in unavoidable precipitation. Addition of tincture with rapid stirring yield a fine colloidal dispersion. So there is no need of one suspending agent. Liquefaction. When certain low melting point solid are mixed together, a liquid or soft masses known as edetic mixtures produced. This occurs due to the lowering of melting point of the mixture below room temperature, liberation of hydrates. If such condition take place, compounding such powders become difficult since the ultimate mixture turn to liquids. The medicament showing this type of behavior are camphor, menthol, phenol, thymol, chloral hydrate. Example of insufflation. Hence the correct prescription, the wrong prescription. Menthol 5 gram, camphor 5 gram, and the water 60 ml. This is the wrong prescription. So correct prescription for menthol 5 gram, camphor 5 gram, light kaolin 0.2 grams. Prepare and dispense insufflation. Causes the mixtures the physical incompatibility because both the ingredient prescription are liquefiable mixed together. The remedy substance dispense any one of the following methods. Try to it together to form liquid and mix it with an absorbent, light kaolin, magnesium carbonate to produce the following powder. Individual medicament is powdered separately and mixed with an absorbent, then combined together tightly and filled in a suitable container. Chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be result on a chemical interaction between the ingredient of prescription and a toxic or inactive product may be formed. Occurrence. Chemical incompatibility occur due to the chemical properties of drug additives like pH change, oxidation reduction reaction, acid-base hydrolysis, double decomposition. This is a reaction may be noticed by precipitation, evaporation, and the decomposition, color change, and explosion. Physical incompatibilities based on the chemical interaction. Tolerated incompatibility. In this type of chemical interaction can be minimized changing the order of mixing and mixing the solution in dilute form without any alteration. Adjusted incompatibility. In adjusted the incompatibility, the chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredient with another equal therapeutic value. Substitution of Kevin citrate with caffeine. Chemical incompatibilities. Based on the nature of chemical reaction, in immediate incompatibilities, if the chemical reaction take place immediately after combining the prescription ingredients, they are called the immediate incompatibility. Hence, they should be dispensed only after correction. Delayed incompatibilities means when the chemical reaction proceeds at very slow rate, no appreciable visible changes occurs, develop on which may keeping the product from a for a called delayed long-term incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility based on the prescription. Intentional when the prescriber knowingly prescribes the incompatibility drugs. Unintentional when the prescriber prescribes the drugs without knowing that there is incompatibility between the prescribed drugs. Precipitated yielding interaction. The precipitate so formed may be indivisible or divisible. The method A and B is followed in the dispensing prescription yielding divisible and indivisible precipitate respectively. Method A divisible precipitate, method B indivisible precipitate. The preparation should contain a thickening agent if a precipitate is in non-divisible. Method A. This method is a suitable divisible precipitate. The following steps are carried out. Divided the vehicle into two portions. They dissolved the reactant in separate portion. Mix the two portions slowly by adding one into the other with rapid stirring. Method B. This method is suitable for divisible rate form in large quantity. Divided the two vehicle portion. Dissolve one reacting substance in one portion. Place the second portion of vehicle mortar. Incorporate suitable amount of water, dragagan powder. Place suitable amount of compound dragagan powder 2 gram by 100 ml of preparation with a constant titration until a smooth mucilage produced. Dissolve the other reactive substance in the mucilage. Add the solution of first reactant to this mucilage slowly with the constant stirring. Shake the bottle before the use. Alkaloid incompatibility. Alkaloid salt with alkaloid substance. Alkaloid salt with soluble iodides. Alkaloid salt with tannins. Alkaloid salt with salicylate. Alkaloids with soluble iodides, bromide and bromides. Soluble salicylate incompatibility. Soluble salicylate with the ferric salt and the soluble salicylate with the alkalic bicarbonate. Soluble solid and benzoate with acid. Soluble iodide incompatibility. Oxidation of iodide with potassium chloride. Oxidation of iodide with quinine sulfate. Chemical incompatibility causing evolution of sodium bicarbonate with soluble calcium or magnesium salt, a bismuth subnitrate and sodium bicarbonate, borax with sodium bicarbonate and glycerin. Miscellaneous incompatibility, soluble parbitrate with ammonium bromide, potassium chloride with oxidizable substance, the incompatibility of emulsifying agent, color stability of dyes, incompatibility licorice liquid extract. Next, example, strychnine hydrochloride mixtures. A strychnine hydrochloride solution, 6 ml aromatic spirit of ammonia, 4 ml water up to 120 ml. The strychnine hydrochloride is alkali salt, whereas aromatic spirit of ammonia alkaline substance. The quantity of strychnine hydrochloride is more than its solubility in water, 1:30 ratio. The aromatic spirit of ammonia contains negligible amount of alcohol as strychnine had precipitated. Remedy, strychnine hydrochloride precipitated yield divisible precipitated, hence method A can be used. Quinine hydrochloride mixtures. Quinine hydrochloride 0.2 ml, sodium salicylate 4 gram, water 100 ml. When quinine chloride hydrochloride combined with the sodium salicylate, it forms the quinine salicylate, which is an divisible precipitate. Hence, followed method B for the yielding interactions. Evaluation of carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate 1 gram, borax 1 gram, phenol 0.5 gram, glycerin 20 ml, water up to 90 ml. Cases. When sodium bicarbonate, borax and glycerin are mixed together in the presence of water, a reaction takes place with the evaluation of carbon dioxide gas. If the mixture is a dispensed success, there are chances of bursting the bottle. Remedy. Mix the ingredient in open vessels until evaluation of carbon dioxide gases. Example, potassium chloride 0.6 gram, tannic acid 0.3 gram, sucrose 0.3 gram, water up to 20 ml. When the potassium chloride oxidizable substance mixed with the tannic acid reducing agent, which a titration explosion may be happens. The ingredient should be powdered separately in a dry and a clean mortar. Then mix this gently with a spatula on a clean oilment tile without any friction. Therapeutic incompatibility may be the prescribed certain drug to a patient with the intensity of action produced is different from the intent of by prescription. This occurs due to error in dosage, wrong dose or dosage form, contraindicate drugs, synergistic and antagonistic drugs, drug interaction. They occurs due to 5 methods. Error dosage. Many therapeutic result in the writing and interrupting the prescription order. The most serious type of dosage error in the dispensing overdose of medication. Atropine sulfate capsule. Atropine sulfate 0.006 gram. Phenobarbital 0.15 gram. Aspirin 0.300 gram. Cases in the prescription, the quantity of atropine sulfate each capsule more than its recommended dose. The prescription is referred back to the prescriber to correct the overdose of atropine sulfate. Recommended dose of atropine for single capsule 0.25 to 2 milligram, 0.25 to 2 milligram. Wrong dose of wrong formulation. Dose formulation. There are certain drugs which have quite similar case of there is always danger dispensing of the drugs. Prednisone and prednisolone. digoxin and digoxin. Sometimes many drugs are available in the different dosage form. Hence, if the dosage form is not clearly mentioned on the prescription, it becomes necessary to seek clarification from the prescriber. The responsibility of a pharmacist becomes to check the prescription intensively, and if he find this is type of error, he should immediately consult the prescriber for the clarification. Contraindicated drugs. There are certain drugs which may be contraindicated in a particular disease or particular patient who is allergic to it. The corticosteroids are contraindicated in the patient having the peptic ulcers. The penicillin and the sulfur drugs are contraindicated in the patient who are allergic. Vasoconstrictor are contraindicated in the hypertensive patients. Paropicillin and morphine should not be given to the asthmatic patients. Example, sulfadiazine capsules. Put RX, the sulfadiazine capsules, the 25 gram, 250 gram of milligram of sulfadiazine, sulfamyrazine 250 milligram, the ammonium chloride 500 milligram. Causes ammonium chloride is a urinary acidifier. It causes the deposition of the sulfonamide crystal in the kidney. Remedy: before prescribing such substance, a doctor must be careful. Such prescription must be immediately referred back to the concerned doctor and get corrected. Synergistic or antagonistic drugs. When two drugs are prescribed together, they tend to increase the activity of each other, which is known as a synergism. When two drugs are prescribed together, they tend to decrease activity of each other, which is known as antagonism. Example: a combination of aspirin and paracetamol increases the analgesic activity. A combination of penicillin and streptomycin increase the antibacterial activities. That means the synergism means the two drugs are prescribed together tend to increase the activity of each other, known as the synergism. Antagonism means they prescribe the two drugs together, they decrease the activity of each other, known as antagonism. Example: a combination of aspirin and paracetamol increase the analgesic activity. The example for synergism activity: the combination of penicillin and streptomycin increase the antibacterial activity. Put RX, amphetamine sulfate 20 milligram, the ephedrine sulfate 100 milligram, syrup up to 100 ml. Causes: in the prescription there is a combination of two sympathomimetic drugs, thereby causing additive effect. Remedy: the prescription is refer back to the prescriber for necessary correction. Put to RX, acetyl salicylic acid 0.6 gram, propincate 0.5 gram, syrup up to 100 ml. Causes: acetyl salicylic acid and the propionic are used in the treatment of gout. However, the combination of this led to the neutralization. The prescription referred back to the prescriber for necessary correction. Drug interactions. What do you mean drug interaction? The effect of one drug is altered by prior or simultaneous action of the another drugs. The drug interaction can usually the correct proper adjustment of dosage. The tetracycline hydrochloride 250 milligram. Direction: take one capsule every 6 hours with milk. Gases: the tetracycline inactivated by calcium present in milk, so it should not be taken with milk. The remedy: in the prescription, the therapeutic incompatibility is unintentional, so the prescription is referred back to the prescriber to change the direction. At least the 5 minutes the revision. The types of incompatibilities. The types of incompatibilities: one of the physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibilities. What do you mean incompatibility? Incompatibility may be detected by changes in the physical formation and the unwanted form of the product. That means incompatibilities. That means the physical incompatibility means when the two or more than two substances combined here, the physical changes take place, unacceptable product formed. That means the one or two or more drugs they combined, they form, then unacceptable product are formed. This is the physical incompatibilities. Interaction between the two or more substances which may be lead the change in color, odor, taste, viscosity, morphology. Something is physical incompatible may be corrected by any of the following methods. Change the order, mixing order on the change, and the emulsification methods, and addition of suspending agent, one of the methods here, remedies, changes in the form of ingredients. In another in the remedies, the addition or substitution or omission of any chemical in any ingredients. Physical incompatibility means and the immiscibility, insolubility, and precipitation and liquefaction, one of the methods. And go to the one of the example for a food RX, the castor oil 15 ml and the water 60 ml. The physical incompatibility not for the combine the solubility for oil and waters in the one of the help of the add the third substance, the emulsifying agents, they add the third substance used by the Gamma Acacia, they form the castor oil emulsion. Insolubility. The insolubility means the inability materials. The insolubility means inability material to dissolve in a particular solvent system. The major type of incompatibility. Precipitation and liquidation. Chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility means the result of the chemical interaction between the ingredient of prescription and a toxic or inactive product may be formed. The chemical interaction means there two chemical they interact in the prescription, the toxic or inactive product may be formed. Some of the reaction may be noticed by the precipitation and the evaporation, decomposition, color change, explosion. Next, chemical incompatibility based on the chemical interaction, tolerated incompatibility, adjusted incompatibility. In this method, type chemical interaction can be minimized, changing order of mixing the solution in dilute form without any alteration. Okay, the tolerant incompatibility means the chemical interaction is minimized by changing the direction of mixing the solution dilute form without any alteration. Adjusted incompatibilities. In adjusted incompatibility, the chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of the one of the reacting ingredient with another equal therapeutic value. Substitution of caffeine citrate with caffeine. Immediate based on the chemical incompatibility, nature of chemical reaction, immediate reaction, that means immediate incompatibility, delayed reaction, that means delayed incompatibilities. If the chemical reaction take place immediate means after they combine the prescription ingredients, they are called immediate incompatibilities. They should be dispensed only after the correction. When the delayed incompatibilities means the chemical reaction produce very slow and no appreciable visible change occur develop. They keep the product for delayed a long time incompatibility. Based on the prescribed intentional or unintentional prescribed, when the prescriber knowingly prescribed the incompatible drugs, they prescribe the drugs without knowing that there is incompatibility between the prescribed drugs. It is unintentional, and intentional is knowingly prescribed. Knowingly they prescribe the knowing they prescribe the incompatible drugs. Chemical incompatibility means the precipitated formed may be divisible or indivisible methods. That means the method A and the method B followed in the dispensing precipitation yield divisible and indivisible precipitation respect. The method A was the divisible precipitation, method B the indivisible precipitation. Method A method is suitable the divisible precipitation. The following steps are carried out. Divided the two portion, and the one portion the dissolved reactant substance and mix the another portion, so slowly adding the rapid stirring. Method B, the suitable for a difficult state, they formed a large quantity, they divided the two portion, they dissolved the one reaction substance, one portion, they add the another portion, the second portion, the amount of suitable amount of amount of compound drug and powder added, 2 gram by 100 ml of precipitation, the constant titration, the smooth mucilage formed, they dissolved the other reacting substance, the mucilage, the added solution, the reactant, the mucilage slowly with the constant strain, shake the bottle before use. Chemical incompatibility examples and the alkalotic incompatibility, the soluble salicylate incompatibility, soluble iodide incompatibility, chemical incompatibility causing evaluation, the miscellaneous incompatibilities. Therapeutic incompatibilities, the therapeutic management may not may treat of prescribing certain drugs to a patient with the intensity of action produce a different form, different from the from that intended by of prescriber. This occurs due to the error in dosage, wrong dose or wrong dosage form. Contraindicated drugs, synergetic and antagonistic drugs, drug interaction, error in dose. Sometimes they prescribed the error for the dose. The example is atropine sulfate, the 0.006 gram, and phenobarbital 0.15 gram, and aspirin the 0.330 grams. Then they prescribes the quantity of atropine sulfate, each capsule more than recommended dose. The prescription referred to back, they prescribed correct the overdose of atropine sulfate, recommended the atropine for the single capsules 0.25 to 2 milligrams. Wrong dose or wrong dosage forms is birnizolone and birnizolone, digoxin and digoxin. Sometimes many drugs are available in the different dosage form. If a dosage form not clearly mentioned, the prescription become necessary to check the clarification from the prescriber. Contraindicated drugs. There are certain drugs which is contraindicated in the particular disease, a particular patient who are allergic. Sometimes the corticosteroids are contraindicated in the patient having the peptic ulcer patient, the contraindicated. The penicillin and the sulfur drug can be contraindicated in the patient who are allergy. The vasoconstrictor is contraindicated in the hypersensitivity patient. Parpis and the morphine should not be given to the asthmatic patient. Example of a sulfadiazine capsule. Sulfadiazine 250 milligram, sulfamirazine 250 milligram, ammonium chloride 250 milligram. Ammonium chloride is urinary acidifier. It causes the deposition of the sulfonamide crystal in the kidney. Okay. Next, synergistic or antagonist means when two drugs are prescribed together, tend to increase the activity of each other's, known as synergism. When two drugs are prescribed together, tend to decrease the activity of each other, known as the antagonism. A combination of the aspirin paracetamol increase the analgesic activity. The combination of penicillin streptomycin increase the antifactorial activities. Amphetamine sulfate 20 milligram, the ephedrine sulfate 100 milligram, syrup up to 100 ml. The prescription there is a combination of two sympathomimetic drugs. They are causing additive effects. The prescription referred to back the prescriber correction. That means is antagonist effect. Symptom two drugs the same activities for the sympathomimetic drugs. The acetyl salicylic acid 0.6 gram, the propanisic acid 0.5 gram, the syrup up to 100 ml used in the treatment of gout. The combination they led to neutralization. This is a prescription referred to the prescriber for necessary correction. This is antagonist action for the neutralized. Drug interaction. The effect of one drug, they altered the prior the simultaneous action of another drug. The drug interaction can usually be corrected by the proper adjustment of dosage. Tetracycline, one of the most complicated the drug interaction. The tetracycline, the 250 milligram, they take one capsule every 6 hours with milk. The tetracycline is inactivated by calcium percent milk, so it should not be taken